Addition formulae. These are also a basic formulae. Cos a plus b, cos a minus b, sin a plus b, sin a minus b anta. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ formula ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we have the little operation here, that is CDO. Cos ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಬಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರೆದು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ. So if there is a cos, write it double and write the opposite sign. Okay, now let me give you an example for this. This is cos a plus b. Cos iddaga you have to write it double time. So cos a into cos b anta baribeko. Sin is also doubled. Sin a into sin b. But illi plus irodrinda according to this operation opposite sign baribeko, minus. So here there is a cos. So since it is a cos, use this rule. So cos, if there is a cos, write it double with opposite sign. So cos is there, so write cos a into cos b, and here also sin also 2 times, sin a sin b. But since negative sign is here, you have to write plus. And this rule is only applicable for cos, not for the sin. But sin ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೈನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಬಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಬಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗೋದು ಕಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ನ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ, ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಲು, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಬಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಬಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್. So these are the 4 identities you have to remember. These are addition formulae, and for the tan you have to remember the formula itself. So tan a plus b formula you can write like this: tan a plus tan b divided by, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, 1 minus tan a into tan b. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ tan a minus b you have to write tan a minus tan b divided by, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, 1 plus tan a into tan b. Okay, let us move on to the next slide. Okay, now we have studied all these identities. Okay, sin a plus b, sin a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b, tan a plus b, tan a minus b, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಇವನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್. ಆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ b is equal to a in this formula. Okay, now let me put b is equal to a in this first formula. So let me put b is equal to a in the first formula. So sin a plus a, sin a plus a ಅಂತಂದರೆ 2a ಆಯಿತು. So that is equal to sin a cos a. So sin a cos a plus cos a sin a. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ 2 sin a into cos a. So this is most important formula. So the formula sin 2a is nothing but 2 sin a into cos a. We have to remember this. And next one, put b is equal to a in second formula. But in second formula, this is not going to work, because if you put b is equal to a, the entire term will be vanished. So sine a minus a, that becomes 0. So that is why we have to apply for the next one, cos a plus b. So cos a plus b is nothing but a itself. So that becomes cos 2a. So cos 2a. So that is equal to cos a into cos b is there. So cos a into cos a itself. So cos a into cos a is cos square a, minus sin a into sin a is sin square a. So we will write it directly. So cos square a minus sin square a. So this is also most important identity, and we can write, if you substitute one identity for sine square, as we know sine square theta is nothing but, sine square a is nothing but 1 minus cos square a. So previous slide alli ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ, identity na use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು I am writing this. So let me substitute here so that what you are going to get. So this is also most important identity what we are going to get now. So cos square a minus 1 minus cos square a. So 1 minus of minus. So let me write it in simplified version. So plus cos square a. So that gives you cos square a plus cos square a is 2 cos square a minus 1. So this is also important identity. So one more identity is there. If you put cos square a as 1 minus sin square a, because this is also an identity. So if you put cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta, you get 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta sin square a, that gives you 1 minus 2 sin square a. So that I am going to write it here. So 1 minus 2 sin square a. So we got 3 identities only for cos 2a. That is the first formula, cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. That is the first one. So let me mark it so that, okay, it will be helpful for later. This is the first one, and you have one more formula for cos 2a. So cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, and another one is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So these are the 3 identities only for cos 2a, so that we have to remember. And next you have, okay, as we are doing for the tan, so tan a plus b, okay, and if you put b is equal to a in this identity, so you will get tan a plus a, that becomes tan 2a, that gives you tan a minus tan b. Oh, sorry, this is the one, tan a plus tan a, that gives you 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan a, that gives you 1 minus tan square a. So these are the identities for sin 2a, cos 2a and tan 2a. Why I am solving this? Because once if you solve and keep it ready, so there is a less chance of forgetting. So that is why I have just solved it. Okay, now 3 more identities you get if you replace a by 2. Wherever a's are there, you replace it by a by 2, you will get the following identities. Let me derive that. So why I am deriving, again I am telling you, you have to derive it and keep it so that there is a less chance of forgetting that. Okay, now the first one, sin 2a by 2. So 2a by 2 is nothing but sin a, that gives you 2 sin a into cos a, right? So 2 sin a divided by 2 into cos a by 2. So this is one identity. Because there are three identities, one is here and one is here and one is here. So let me put or replace a by 2. So you will get cos 2a divided by 2, that gives you a itself, that is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, that is cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. So this is the one. And the next one is here. For this one we will replace a by 2. So you will get 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. So 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. And the next one is here. So 1 minus 2 sin square. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a divided by 2. So these are the three identities for cos a, and these are the three identities for cos a, and these are nothing but half angle formula. And next one, for the last one, that is tan 2a. So tan 2a by 2 is nothing but tan a, that is equal to 2 tan a by 2, 2 tan a by 2 whole divided by 1 minus tan square a divided by 2. These are the three half angle formulae. So let us move on to the next slide.